In today's video, I'll be giving you guys a quick update on my EckoDex staking position. As you guys know, I purchased some KDX pretty much a couple days ago and I ended up staking the entire position, and now I'll be giving you guys a quick little update showing you guys how much I have earned so far, showing you the progress along the way. But before we go over to the computer screen, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and now let's go. Now we are on EckoDex, and as you can see, I'm staking 9,221.09 KDX. It is currently worth $201. And this is the amount of KDX that I have earned so far, pretty much staking for 1 week. As you can see, it is pretty much worth 1 penny. So I pretty much made half a KDX so far. And the waiting time, it started out as 60 days. Now it is at 51 days. The reward penalty is pretty much how much of a penalty I will pay if I decided to unstake early and to unstake before the 60 days is up. As you can see, so far I made 0.45 KDX, but if I withdraw before the 60 days is up, I will be charged a penalty of 0.40. So pretty much my entire position. But as the days goes down, the penalty becomes lower and lower. And hopefully by the time the 60 days is up, the penalty will be 0. So this is pretty much KDX trying to encourage people to hold on to their staking position. Personally, I will not be unstaking anytime soon. I'll be pretty much staking the entire bear market, maybe the entire year of 2023 and the entire year of 2024. My goal is to accumulate even more, hold on as long as possible for those massive profits. And now let's talk about the analytics. As you can see right here, the daily income is 0.112 KDX, and this is the APR 0.46. This pretty much fluctuates every single day. So in the morning when I wake up, this is pretty much at like 0.01 or 0.04, and the percentage is the same. It's like 0.1 or 0.09 or something like that. But as the day goes on and there's more daily volume, these numbers tend to go up. As you can see today, the daily volume is just over 76,000. And this is the amount of KDX that is burned so far, 0.12%. But the good thing is over 63% of all KDX is currently being staked. And at the bottom, you will see my voting power. The voting power does go up pretty much every single day. The longer you are staking, the more voting power you are going to get. And on the bottom is the multiplier. As you can see, I have staked for more than 7 days. Now my multiplier is 0.58. But if I stake 2 months, it'll be even higher. It'll be a 1x multiplier. Then 1.5x after 8 months. And then after 22 months, it'll be a 2x. And after 4 years, it'll be a 2.5x. I'm hoping in the next year or two, EckoDex really takes off and the daily income increases by a big ton. And hopefully by then I would have accumulated a lot more rewards. My staking position will probably get even bigger, thus making me even more daily income. As you guys know, similar projects that offer daily income rewards, especially in the bull markets, sometimes they pay out big money every single day, anywhere between $100 to $1,000 a day. That pretty much depends on your position. That pretty much depends how much you're staking, all of that stuff. EckoDex is relatively new, so I'm hoping in this bear market I'll be able to accumulate more, and I'm hoping this project takes off in the bull market. Alright everybody, that pretty much concludes this quick update video. I will be making a lot more updates videos on this one pretty much as I get closer to the multiplier and as the waiting time runs out. That way you guys can see the actual progress. I only been staking for like 6-7 days, so there's not much of an update that I can give right now. But as I continue to stake, I'll be able to track these numbers better. That way I'll be able to tell you guys exactly what you can expect when you start staking on EckoDex. And when we go on CoinMarketCap, you will see the market cap of KDX is just over 4 million. And in the last day, it has been performing very well. Over the last 7 days, it's pretty much remained flat, but the long-term chart looks pretty bullish in my opinion. We have bottomed out multiple times, but now I believe it has found the bottom, and hopefully from now on, it will continue to trend higher and higher. Alright everybody, that concludes this video. I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and see you in the next video. Peace out.